Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Explained. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack. Super excited to be here with you today.
Today, we have something really exciting. 20 daily habits that will make you fluent in English fast.
Yes, habits you can easily add to your day-to-day routine that make a huge difference over time.
And before we dive in, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English Explained. Your support means the world to us.
All right, Emma, ready to get started?
Absolutely. Let's dive into habit number 1.
Our first habit is simple but powerful. Listen to English every day.
Sounds easy, but why is this so important?
Think about how babies learn. They listen before they speak. Your brain works the same way. By hearing English daily, your ears become familiar with the sounds, rhythms, and intonation patterns.
So even 10 minutes a day can help?
Exactly. Listen to English songs, podcasts, or short videos while walking, cooking, or even cleaning. Subtitles can help, but the focus is just absorbing the sounds.
So it's not about understanding every word?
Not at all. Initially, just get comfortable with the rhythm of English. Over time, your brain starts recognizing words naturally and speaking becomes easier. Consistency is the key here.
Habit 2 is super fun, shadowing.
Shadowing means listening to someone speak in English and immediately repeating what they say, almost like you're a personal echo.
So I copy their speed, pronunciation, and tone?
Exactly. This strengthens your mouth muscles, improves pronunciation, and trains your brain to connect sounds to movements. Start with short sentences from podcast, videos, or movie clips.
Sounds like singing along, but speaking.
Perfect analogy. Your intonation, rhythm, and confidence improve. It might feel weird at first, but it's extremely effective for natural speaking.
Habit 3. Learn just a few new words each day.
Only 1 to 3? That's so little.
Small numbers are better. They're easy to remember and you can use them right away. Focus on meaning, pronunciation, and creating a sentence with the word.
Where can I find these words?
Everywhere. Books, videos, articles, or even daily conversations. Keep a notebook or use an app. Review them the next day to make them stick.
Wow. In a year, that's hundreds of words.
Habit 4. Think in English.
Instead of translating from your native language, form thoughts directly in English. For example, the cup is blue. I am drinking water.
So my brain starts forming English sentences naturally?
Exactly. This habit speeds up your speaking because you're no longer translating. Start simple and expand gradually.
Habit 5. Talk to yourself in English.
Alone? Really?
Yes, describe your day, your feelings, or pretend to have a conversation. This builds confidence and helps you retrieve vocabulary faster.
So it's a safe way to practice speaking.
Absolutely. Even a few minutes daily makes a big difference. Use new words you've learned too.
Habit 6. Read in English daily.
Don't overwhelm yourself. Read short articles, blogs, social media posts, or simple stories. Reading shows words in context and reinforces grammar.
And it improves my reading speed too.
Exactly. Even 5 to 10 minutes a day makes English feel natural and familiar.
Habit 7. Write a daily journal.
How much should I write?
Just 3 to 4 sentences. Talk about your day, your feelings, or what you learned. This reinforces vocabulary, grammar, and sentence formation.
And mistakes are okay?
Absolutely. Mistakes are part of learning. The goal is consistent practice, not perfection.
Habit 8. Review your mistakes.
Mistakes are your best teachers. Write them down and review them regularly. For example, if you say, I go to home, note the correct form, I go home.
So mistakes help me see exactly where to improve?
Exactly. Embrace them. They're progress in disguise.
Habit 9. Speak English with others.
But I'm shy.
Start small. Use apps or online language exchanges. Even 5 minutes a day is better than one long session weekly. It boosts confidence and makes your English practical.
Habit 10. Enjoy English every day.
Find English in your hobbies. Watch movies, play games, listen to music, or cook with English recipes.
So learning doesn't feel like a chore.
Exactly. When it's fun, you'll naturally practice more and improve faster.
Habit 11 is watching English videos with subtitles.
Yes, watching movies, series, or YouTube videos with English subtitles helps you connect spoken and written English.
So I can read and listen at the same time?
Exactly.
Your brain starts recognizing words instantly when you hear and see them together. Start with short clips or scenes. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. The goal is exposure.
Can I pause and repeat parts I don't get?
Absolutely. Repeating tricky sentences helps with pronunciation, intonation, and comprehension. Over time, you'll notice you understand faster without subtitles.
Habit 12. Use English in your daily tasks.
Like what exactly?
Label objects at home in English, write your shopping list in English, or think in English while cooking. Little actions make a big difference.
That sounds easy to start today.
Exactly. It makes English a natural part of your life, not just a study subject.
Habit 13 is memorizing useful phrases.
Instead of individual words, focus on sentences or expressions people actually use in conversations.
Like, how's your day? Or I'm looking forward to it.
Perfect. Memorizing phrases helps you speak more naturally without thinking too much. You'll sound fluent faster. Habit 14. Record your own voice.
That feels a bit strange.
It's normal at first. Record yourself reading, speaking, or shadowing. Then listen and notice mistakes or areas to improve.
So it's like my own mini teacher.
Exactly. You'll catch pronunciation errors, improve clarity, and track progress over time.
Habit 15. Set a daily English goal.
For example, learn 3 words, shadow a video, or speak for 5 minutes.
How does this help?
Goals give you focus and motivation. Small, achievable goals every day lead to huge improvements over time.
Habit 16. Join English communities online or offline.
Like Facebook groups or clubs?
Exactly. Participating in discussions, forums, or clubs gives you practical experience and exposes you to real-life English.
So I can practice and learn from others at the same time?
Yes, and it makes learning social and fun.
Habit 17. Play English games.
Crossword puzzles, word searches, or mobile games with English instructions help your vocabulary and comprehension.
Sounds fun, so it's learning while playing?
Exactly. Fun activities make your brain absorb English effortlessly.
Habit 18. Teach English to someone else.
I'm not fluent yet.
That's okay. Explaining simple words or phrases to a friend or family helps you remember them better. Teaching is a powerful tool for reinforcement.
Wow, so I learn more by sharing? Habit 19. Review your vocabulary weekly.
Go back to the words or phrases you learned during the week. Make sentences with them or use flashcards.
So I don't forget anything?
Exactly. Regular review turns short-term memory into long-term memory. Consistency matters more than cramming. And finally, habit 20, surround yourself with English.
What does that mean exactly?
Make English part of your environment. Change your phone or computer language to English, follow English accounts on social media, listen to English music, watch English shows.
So English becomes a natural part of my day?
Exactly. The more you live in English, the faster it becomes second nature.
And there you have it, 20 daily habits to make you fluent in English fast.
Remember, small, consistent actions are the secret. Every habit adds up over time.
Let us know in the comments which habit you'll start today.
And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English Explained for more fun tips.
Keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next episode.